If you've been using JOYO Life and you're wondering, can I really withdraw my earnings? This video is your answer. Because guess what? I just did it. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I withdrew my money from the JOYO Life app. No stress, no long talk, just proof and the real process beginners can follow. Now, before I show you the exact steps I followed to withdraw, let me quickly say this. JOYO Life is new, and honestly, it's been the best for me so far compared to other apps like Popo Life. And here's why. New users actually get to enjoy their rewards for a full 14 days after signing up, unlike other apps that only offer 7 days of newbie incentives. The minimum withdrawal amount is similar to most Livestream apps, but what really surprised me is this. The withdrawal charge is so small, unlike some apps that take a big chunk of your money. So now let me walk you through exactly how I made my own withdrawal, and right after that I will tell you whether I received the money instantly or not. So make sure you stick around to the end, okay? So the first step is to log into your JOYO Life account, after which you locate your dashboard by clicking on the My interface or icon. Now click on your diamonds balance. Okay, you already know that the minimum withdrawal amount is 100,000 diamonds, which is equivalent to $10, all right? And I already have $21 in my wallet, as you can see now, and then we're going to be withdrawing $21 live. Pay attention to this. If you cannot find the withdrawal button on your own account, because I have a lot of people asking me that question, it means you've not gotten to the minimum withdrawal amount of 100,000 diamonds. So once you've gotten to 100,000 diamonds, that's only when you can see the withdrawal button. Hey, you like and subscribe. Alright, and then you can carry out your withdrawal. Now click on the withdrawal button so we can carry out the next step. The next step is to bind our withdrawal address where we'll be withdrawing our money into. Click on bind withdrawal address and then you will see the different payment method available. You can withdraw directly into your bank, you can withdraw into your Binance wallet, and you can also withdraw into your ePay wallet. Whichever one that you have, click on it and bind it. So I have a Binance account. I copied my Binance ID and pasted it here and then clicked on confirm, and then I was able to bind my Binance wallet successfully. Finally, to withdraw, you have to click on your already bound wallet address. So tap on Binance if you chose Binance, and then you see that your already bound wallet address will reflect. Okay, now I know some of you might say you do not have Binance or you don't have ePay. Please let me know in the comment section below if you don't have any of those withdrawal wallets, and you can also go for the option to withdraw directly into your local bank account depending on what country you are in. Okay, now it's time for us to put in our amount. And one thing I realized that you can put in any amount. I have a balance of $21, and then what I did is to put $21 here. As you can see below, you see the handling charge. That's the amount they're going to charge you. So they're going to charge me 0.42 cents just to withdraw $21, and then I'll be giving $20.58. So once you have confirmed that, just click on the withdrawal button and it's as easy as that. Your diamonds are going to disappear from your account, and then you can check your inbox to see the progress towards your withdrawal. And as you can see, it reads your withdrawal request is being processed. Amount $20.58 USDT would be sent to you, and the status is in progress. Expected to complete this in 3 business days. So let me shock you guys. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said I was going to tell you if I received the money instantly or not. So now, I didn't have to wait until 3 business days before they credited my payment. I remember vividly I made this withdrawal around 3 p.m. Nigerian time, and then all I had to do was to wait until 3 a.m. the next morning, and then I saw my alert. I saw that notification Binance sent to me that I have a deposit from JOYO. So to answer the question, you're not going to receive your withdrawal instantly, but you're going to receive your withdrawals after some hours, or let's just say possibly the next day early in the morning. Okay, so guys, I have successfully shown you the step-by-step process on how to withdraw your earnings from JOYO Livestream app. If you know this video has been helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. It's a way of saying thank you for this amazing video. Doing that also encourages me to make more amazing videos like this one. And if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, this is Smart Hustles with Jessica, where I bring you legit money-making apps, real platforms that actually pay, and daily side hustles you can start right from your phone. So if you're tired of fake promises and want only trusted and tested apps that really work, hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free, and that's how you keep getting real updates from me anytime I drop something that's worth your time. Because here, we don't just talk. We test first, then share what's real. Let me know the country you're watching me from. I love seeing how far my updates are reaching. Drop it in the comments and I'll be right there replying.